So, this is some kind of camera. But why is it square? It's weird. Some kind of a lever here.
What do you think that does?
Does it maybe take the picture?
Mm-mm.
Is it?
Yeah, don't force it. You only do it once, and then you take the picture.
Oh. So, why is there, what is that? Where's the button so that you take the picture? There's no button. Well, how do you take the picture then?
Here's a lever.
What? That's weird. Oh, so I have to... Huh.
Yeah, you did it already.
Oh, okay. So, this is like a 70s camera?
I think it's 1964.
It's weird and square. Well, they had weird cameras back then.
Yeah. Here, take the bottom thing, unscrew this.
Since, oh, there it goes. Oh, it's listening that thing up. The other one does.
So that should come off.
Oh, there it goes.
See, then there's more cool stuff.
What is this thing? Well, it says to pull it out because it has an arrow, but I'm not sure how.
I think you do this one.
Oh. Like that. What the? What is it for? I'm so confused. Can you plug it into that thing? No. Well, then what's this thing for?
How did they record the pictures back then?
Film?
Yeah.
I wasn't even born back then. I'm surprised I got that.
So, back here, if you click that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Ah.
That's where the film went in.
It's like a movie theater screen. It's so square. I don't even know. It's weird. So that thing goes back there. Oh, it's pushing this little thing back there. And oh, okay. Now I get that. Ow!
But when you had film in there, you couldn't open it up or you ruined them all. Because the light would get to it.
Okay. So, what's that thing?
That one, there's little numbers on it, so you can set it to remind you how many pictures you have on that roll of film.
doesn't turn.
There was rolls of film with like 12, 24, 36 pictures you could take. And then you wound it back up with that lever on the bottom. You would wind the film back up into the little thing and send it off to a lab to get processed.
I think... Oh, so you go like this?
Mm-hmm.
And then it... Oh, that makes sense. Okay. How do you make a video then?
Not with one of those. It just did still pictures.
Really?
And you didn't know what you got until you got the pictures back from the lab.
Well, how would you
Like a few days later. There was no Photoshop.
Then this is a confusing camera. Why does it...
Yeah, here's the settings on the front.
Oh, there it goes. How do you...
That's how you focus it. That little one in the front.
Well, then how does the... What? How does it zoom in then? There is no zoom in?
There is zoom. It's a 45 millimeter lens, but you know how you zoomed? It's called manual zoom. Do you know what that is? It's this right here.
Your foot?
Mm-hmm. You would walk closer to the subject.
What?
And that's how you zoomed. You go closer.
Well, that's impossible. Now I just feel bad for people taking pictures with this.
You had to know what you were doing, huh?
Yeah. That's weird. It's very square. I don't know what to say to it. But I do want to question, why is there a little thingy right here?
Let's see, I can't focus on that. I think that's the number of pictures left on the roll of film. But I can't see it.
Yeah. It says 28,
Oh,
8,
yeah.
and then 22. At the bottom, 22.
So do the lever in the back. This one?
This one?
Yeah, that winds the film. Okay, and then you click the shutter in the front and then see if that number moves.
Like this?
No, this thing. To take a picture and then see if that moves. Did it move?
Mm-mm.
Huh.
Must be jammed or something. Stuck.
The film might actually move it or something. Because there's like little gears and stuff in there.
I don't know how I like this thing. Because it's weird. It's very square. And... what are you using? You can't take videos.
No.
How you... I don't understand this. It's just weird.